Hi guys, I'm Desi Perkins.
And I'm Patrick Starr.
We're beauty influencers
From the internet. Today, we're gonna show you how to make a cute, flirty Memoji look.
using all the new makeup and accessories in iOS 13.
Starting with eyeshadow.
This is my favorite eyeshadow right now. It's called Apple Fuchsia number 6, and it comes in this really cute little toolbar.
Close your eyes, let me see.
Lipstick,
Pink,
red,
purple,
violet,
blue.
ooh, ash.
Desi, you have to go dark mode. Darker, darker. Piercings! Nose ring, brow ring, earring, lip ring, tongue ring.
You can customize your teeth in here. Ooh, braces, gap tooth, missing tooth. Don't forget to floss.
Now, this is something a few people are starting to do. It's called a mini grill, and it only covers a single tooth.
Earrings. You think these are real gold? I'm allergic to fake jewelry.
Okay, moving on. Hair! Ooh, how about this?
Pat, we have to screenshot these. What else? Hats.
Hats!
And glasses.
Cute, 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 cute. What do we have here?
Last but not least,
AirPods! All right, everyone, these are our finished looks.
I think we look fabulous.
The beauty community could never.
Never.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.